can see, I have just logged in to my account, and now we will head to upload new work. I have designed some cushion cover for Christmas theme. So let's start with those. Just select any one Christmas design. We can select all of them. Let's see what happens. So feed the title Christmas. So I think at one time only one can be uploaded. So let's add quickly some tags. Put a description. So as we can see, we are able to see the product previews here, and they can be edited individually. Okay, so I was looking for some specific products like this, pillows and totes. So let's go ahead and edit those, and let's see how it will look. I think it looks good. Okay, so this one is enabled. Mouse pads is need some rescaling. So let's scale down the image a little bit, but I think this is okay. Apply changes. Okay. The next is prints, cards, and posters. So for cards, I think I need to add a little, a text here. But for prints, I think it's looking okay. Apply changes. Okay. So I think I was only looking for a few products, but I think this clock also looks good. So let's enable it. And I don't want a notebook like this, but yeah, we can go ahead in future. Go for that in future. For coasters, yeah, absolutely. Artboard prints, absolutely. Let's see what else we have. So pin buttons. I think this also looks good, but needs a little rescaling. So let's edit. So we need to, make it. And as you can see, if we are adjusting the image in this panel, it is also getting adjusted here. I think that looks good. Next is phone wallets, floor pillows. This looks good. Next is I will not go for this mask because nobody is wearing masks nowadays. Yeah, so to start with, I think we have good selection of products. So the next thing which we need to do is we have to select the media. So by media, it means what kind of processes have been uh, done to create this kind of artwork. So I did simple illustration, digital illustration. So I'll go for design and illustration and digital art. So we only have to select up to two. Then collections, I have not created any. Otherwise, I need to specify which collection this design falls into. Next is default products. Keep it public. Is this mature content? Obviously, no. And the last is we have to check this box. I have the right to sell products containing this artwork, including any featured company names or logo, any featured person's name or face, and any featured words or images created by someone else. So this basically specify the copyright thing that this design, this Santa Claus design, which we see here, is created by me, and I have full rights to produce it on this Redbubble shop. So let's go with save work. And I'm so excited to see how our first design is going to look on our Redbubble shop. Once this is done, we will go ahead with other 4 designs also. because I was planning to create a collection of 5 cushion designs for Christmas theme for Christmas 2022 collection. So we can see here our design has been uploaded on all the products. We have the design on magnet, mousepad, sticker, and prints, art prints, canvas prints. Then we have postcards, coasters, clock, acrylic block posters, floor pillows, bags, tote bags, enamel pins, and greeting cards. So I think all the products look good except this greeting card and the postcard. So I will need to, edit those designs. Maybe I should add some text and a bit of other elements to it and then re-upload the design for these 2 products. Rest all, I think it looks good to me. My primary focus was this floor pillow because I want to, make a collection of the 5 designs. So we can also see how these files are looking. We can also download the images. If we click on download images, we can see we have a couple of options of the mockups that are available here. See, the detail is also provided in this one, that how the zipper will look, how the inside of the cushion will look, and other mockups. So this is applicable for all the products. For example, for this enamel pin, we can see these are the, you know, images. Similarly, let's select this wall clock maybe. Okay, so it would see the scale also, how it will look on the wall, and here we can see 3 walls are displayed. This is very interesting. This is a very good way to look whether your designs are working or not. Maybe you need to change your color, scale, or any other adjustments. Let's see one more. This coaster mockups. It looks very good to me. So yeah.